Hello my beautiful friend, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we have a look at Ravencoin. What's the price change goes in the Ravencoin, what's the current price, and what is the previous price predictions of the Ravencoin after last one day, after last 4 hour, and after last 1 hour. Now at this time, what's the condition of the Ravencoin in the cryptocurrencies market? I will show you in this video friends, so keep watch this video with the end if you are a holder. And this video is very special for you. Please remember to subscribe abs tech channel for more this kind of urgent news and updates about Ravencoin. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is the live price predictions after the last 1 hour. The change occur in the Ravencoin in the last 1 hour is positive 0.28%. In the last 1 hour, that is the current change in Ravencoin. And same like that, the high price of Ravencoin is $0.18863 is the high price of Ravencoin in the last 1 hour. That is the current price predictions of the Ravencoin at this time friends. If we look the graph, so the graph tells us the previous hour is absolutely good, they take a jump, but unfortunately at this time now they are in the falling mode. So friends, and now let's see the last 4 hour price predictions. After that we decide, after that we look the last one day, and after that we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold Ravencoin. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is the last 4 hour price prediction. Absolutely the previous hour is a good hour, the good period after Ravencoin. As you can see, take an explosion in the previous last 4 hour. The change occur in the Ravencoin in the last previous 4 hour is positive 0.9%, and the high price of Ravencoin is $0.18863 is the high price of Ravencoin in the previous last 4 hour friends. So friends, now let's see the last one day price predictions. What's the change goes in the previous last one day in Ravencoin, what's the high price, and what is at this time the price prediction changes. As you can see here, they are loading, so please wait. If you don't subscribe my channel, so please, that is very important for you. If you are a holder, so please subscribe my channel. As you can see now on the graph, that is the live price predictions of the last one day. As you can see here, the absolutely a good change occur in the Ravencoin, but unfortunately they are fast down for a little time. As you can see here, that is a fast down period and take a jump fast down, and now at this time they repeat the same procedure. Now they are in the jumping mode, and as you can see here again, as I showed you in the start of this video, the last 1 hour price prediction, again the funding of the Ravencoin all starts now. So friends, if we talk about the average change occur in the Ravencoin is positive 0.01%, and the high price of Ravencoin is $0.19054 is the high price of Ravencoin in the previous last one day. So friends, according to the price predictions, my suggestion for all of Ravencoin holder is that please hold your Ravencoin with the last of this month, because the big explosion of the Ravencoin are coming soon. As you know now at this time, the farming and the dumping period of the Ravencoin starts now, so please be aware, it's not best time to sell it. Please hold it and don't buy and don't sell, only hold Ravencoin at this period friends. That's my suggestion. I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in this coin, please do your own research. What's your opinion about Ravencoin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe abs tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency markets.